Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Equifax app for credit report access, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Navigate to the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Equifax and press search. Look for the official Equifax app in the search results. Ensure it is the correct app by checking the developer's name, which should be Equifax. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Review the app's features and ratings if desired. Next, locate the download button. On an iPhone, this will say Get. On an Android device, this will say Install. Tap the download or install button to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Equifax app. If prompted, allow the app to access necessary permissions. You may also be asked to create an account if you are a new user. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. After logging in, you will gain access to your credit report and related features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with the tools available. You can now monitor your credit information directly from your smartphone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.